タレクさん、お仕事見つかりましたか？今日はどら焼きを作ります。
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Joy. This video is for Muslims who are living in Japan and facing problems with eating Japanese food. Now today we're going to cook Dorayaki. Dorayaki is very famous in Japan, and maybe some of you have heard this name. But unfortunately, the fact is that most dorayaki is not allowed us for it because there are some ingredients that is not halal. So today we're gonna cook very easy way, and it will be very delicious, I believe. So let us make it.
Let's start from custard. 200 cc of milk, 20 gram of weak flour, vanilla essence, 40 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolk.
You can buy vanilla essence from Gyomu Super.
Mix egg yolk and sugar together. You have to mix it very gently. Then add the flour. Mix again. Add few drops of vanilla essence into milk. Then add the milk and mix it again. Then mix on medium heat. While mixing it, gradually it becomes a little bit harder, and when you feel that it's hard enough, it's done. So we're done. Put the custard on a tray and put it into the refrigerator. Now next, let us make dorayaki bread. We need 1/4 of hot cake mix, 2 eggs, 50 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of honey.
Buy hot cake mix from Gyomu Super.
First add 2 eggs and mix it well. Then add sugar and again mix very well. After you finish mixing it, now next add honey. Now again mix it very well. Finally add flour, but this time try to not mix it so hard.
This time, you have to mix it very softly.
Now let us bake it. Pour the dough little and it will spread by itself. Leave it in low heat and you will see some holes, and when you see it, it's a time for flip. Sounds very good. Now this is how you bake it. The color is just like very good, and we're done here. You have to make 2 of them.
You can buy grain bean paste from Gyomu Super.
Sand grain bean paste. or you can sand custard.
So we are done here. How was it? Not that much difficult, I guess. So I believe that you can cook at your home, or also you can invite your friends and cook together. So let's see what can we make next time. Until then, bye bye. See ya.
美味しい